Welcome back to Cricket with Gerard. Today I'm going to show you how to use the bottom man while playing shots. While playing your cricket in shot, how to use the bottom man. It's more important, right? It's very important how to use the bottom man while you play shot, right? Example, when you play shots, when you play drives, always you need to dominate with the top man, right? Example, if I take a look at the drives, right? Make sure when you hold your bat with your top pan, the handle should be straight to the hand like that, straight to the hand like that. When you turn, the V is beside of the splice. The V should be like that, and same V like here. Then there's no issue while you using the bottom. This is the basic part. Keep your bottom man like that. When you hold the bottom man, when you turn your bat, the bat should be like that. If it's like this, that means something wrong, right? Then bat should be like that. Then turn, right? When you play the drives, right? Make sure your hands with only 2 to 3 fingers holding the handle, right? Take the bat with the top pan and keep your bottom man with this gap and play the ball, right? This is one part. When you play the check drive, you can do that. Same thing when you play back foot drive, your hand should be like that, right? You don't need to hold it like that and force the bat, right? Very nicely get the bat and keep your hand like that. Your hand has to be, when I show you this way, like that. Play the ball. Even you want to play a drive, shot, and take the bat out, right? Example, when you want to play pull shot, how you can manage to keep your bottom man. Most of them, they try to play when they're growing up, they try to play the shot like that. They try to push the bat with the dominant hand, right? Then what's the most important thing? You pull the bat with the top hand and keep your bottom man same way, like this way, same way like that, and impact right front of your eye level and roll it over, keep it your opposite shoulder, right? Like this way of pull, it's not going to be effective. Then pull the bat, same way that you play, get the bat down with the top pan and play with the bottom man like that. Your hand has to be like this, right? And pull look at your bottom man. It's impact with both hands and roll it over your shoulder, right? Don't push the bat with the dominant hand, then bat will go like that when you pull. Same thing when you play cut shot, like pull shot, control the bat with top hand and impact. See, your palm of your hand touch the back of your handle, right? When you play, right? Like this is loose, it's coming from here it's loose. I'm not holding the ball like that, loose, but I'm pulling the bat with the top hand. I'm keeping my bottom man for the balance, and when I hit the ball, both hand impacting in the handle, then I'm turning over to my shoulder, right? If I wanted to play pull shot, right, like that, right, like that, right? If I wanted to play a drive, right, like that, right? Then bottom man, not too tight, not too loose, right? You need to keep it in the proper way, right? If you want to play a cut shot, like that, up here, from here it's loose, it's bottom man always tight, right? Impact of the point, both hands holding the bat, then move it to my opposite shoulder, right? Then make sure this bottom man help the top hand to control the bat. Any shot, even you want to play glance, get the bat forward, see, get the bat forward and play the glance. The bottom man is, You want to play flick like that. Don't like this kind of shot you can play. You can play this shot, but when you play the proper technique, tight and roll you the ball. Then ball will go here, right? And any shot you play, keep your top hand tight, bottom hand loose, keep your hand like that, always, right? Right? Make sure this is your proper bottom hand grip, right? When you see this is splice, the V is here, right? Then like that. When I come here, there's no tight top hand. It's very loose. When I impact, it's holding together. Then come again. Then cut shot. When I pull, look at the hand. It's big gap, palm and the handle, right? Like that, right? When I impact, both hands together. Then take it to my shoulder. When I go back, same thing, right? When I show you back, like a side-on action, look at my back, right? If I want to punch, I'm not holding like that. Don't hold like that, right? This is most important thing for upcoming batsmen. Make sure keep the top hand tight, bottom hand loose, in a nice position, right? While you play any shots, right? 90% of the shot you can play like that, right? Thank you.